So this is my original Samsung Galaxy keyboard and emojis. The link is in the description. Copy it and paste it into your browser. Click on Download anyway. Your file has started downloading. Just wait a little bit. Now click on this file and extract it. For the password, watch the video till the end. Your file has been extracted. Now install it. Now keep granting its permissions. You can also change the keyboard fonts here. Now enable this keyboard. 𝚘𝚘𝚎, so it's visible now and working. You'll see the emojis of your own phone. To change the emojis, you'll have to watch my other video. Its link is in the description. You can check it out. These are the keyboard fonts. You can choose any one you like. And you can customize it however you like. So the password is 2024. I hope you found the video helpful. Suggest what topic I should make the next video on done single quotes T forget to like, share, and comment. And for more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel. Take lots of care of yourself, or else I'll lose subscribers.